wanna be modern art, but I only got half a heart to give to you. How can you miss someone you've never seen? Well, tell me, are your eyes brown, blue or green? And do you like it with sugar and cream? Or do you take it straight